What's up, party people? Skagman. Do you ever order stuff and then your house or your garage starts to look like this, where you got this box, and this box, and this box? You got that box. Yeah, I need to replace my hose. You got that box, and then packages sitting around like that. You got another one like that. That's for woman Skag. We won't tell her about that. And then you finally get a chance to get around to doing it. Well, that's what's in this box. 'Cause if you know the story, my car was a base model Continental, and it didn't come with the thermometer on it. Plus the mirror on my car is scratched. I don't know, maybe when it was getting painted or maybe got overspray and somebody tried to get the paint off. Yeah, it's rough. It drives me nuts. But anyway, I found this one, eBay user, that's also a dead gent, that he salvages cars, and he sells Lincoln parts. And I'll put the link to him in the description. But if you're looking for some hard to find Lincoln parts, yeah, hit him up. That's what I'm doing today. Today on Skag's Garage. It's gonna sound crazy, but to replace the mirror, all this has to come off. So I'm just gonna get to it. Basically, this cable here is the control for the remote mirror. And you got two bolts here that hold the door panel on. Now, this is the part that I hate, because I gotta pop the snaps off that hold the door card against the door, and the cardboard, the card itself is fragile, and so use one of these. Don't just go yanking on it. It helps if you get the last one out. Okay, now comes the challenging part. Yeah, connector here. It's not hard, but it's not easy. And to save this, I actually put packing tape to hold this on. But this is what we're after here. this is the plug for the light. I mean, the mirror's heated, but I don't even know what that means. I live in the South, so I've never had that mirror frosted over. Okay, we'll turn our attention to the outside. Mirror that I got from Dallas Pro. It has no pitting. I mean, when he puts stuff on eBay, usually it's the best of what he has. He may put something like that on eBay with the small pitting in it, but this one has no pitting. Now the thermostat, I'm sorry, the thermometer being mechanical, I don't think it works, but I don't really care. But this has a light in it, and it's saying right now that it's 95 degrees, and it's probably about 73 outside right now, and maybe 70 in my shop, 68. But like I said, I don't really care. It just needs some chrome polish, and I think I'll do that before I put it back on the car. You don't want to over tighten these because it's just sheet metal screws, and it goes right into the steel of the door. Okay, and as usual, the installation is the reversal of the uninstallation, but the cable and the wire goes underneath the window motor, which sits down here, so you got to bring it underneath the window motor. That way the window won't catch the cable when it goes up and down. Back together. And check to make sure my windows are working and my seat's working. Should have lubed that. There he goes. Alright, we're all set. All we gotta see now is if the light on the thermometer works. And that's really all I care about.